the Museum of Islamic Art. With this kahit mainit at pasok lang ta, ano, magsipot tayo sa Qatar. Sa kalagitnaan ng init. Actually, it's already like 3 p.m. here in Qatar. And we're still outside exploring the city. Yeah. So we'll go to the museum now. They call it the Museum of Islamic Arts. Going inside now.
Yusuf.
Gallery 10, the Mediterranean Sea of Exchange. And as you can see, this is the best exhibit that we have right now. I will show you one by one the exhibit that we have right now. The shoes, brand is Lacoste. And as you can see, the pants, it's American Eagle. And the watch is Apple Watch, the latest edition. And as you can see, this is the shades from Boss. And the most expensive one is the bag, is from Gucci na. And iPhone 15 Pro Max. Gotcha. Bye. And as you can see, the person that is wearing all the exhibit that we have, the Madame Balips.
area na to. Ilang taon ka na? Ilang taon ka na? Ha? 12 years old? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's baby. You're not sure? Islamabad, yeah?
You know it from the name.
From the name and from the way he speaks, he answered me with accent. Yeah, right? With accent. So yun. Ay, ang init. Ganda dito. Ah, panipuri! Yes, nice.
Hindi naman niya na-video. Na-video mo.
Hindi. Too much we're wet already. Iikot naman siya dun mamaya eh.
Babalik.
Mamaya. So, ayun yung likod ng kwan, ng... Ay, yun dito. Wow!
Yeah, not allowed.
Not allowed?
Yeah, this car not allowed inside.
Okay, no problem.
This one is you can have dinner here.
You need to book.
the
This is
dome.
cafe, yeah?
Okay.
Inside air condition.
Yes.
Who has inside seat?
Yeah.
1 hour 150.
With food and coffee, right?
Yeah, yes.
Mm.
Food, coffee, pizza.
Hindi daw tayo kukuhan dun. Not allowed daw.
This car man, not allowed inside.
No, no problem.
Last station.
Gusto niyo pumunta doon? Hindi na. Wag na. Check yung nilagaw ko.
All guests.
Ang dami yung